Hello everyone, my name is Kauan and today we're going to be doing the oil change on this Volkswagen Type 181. It's 54 years old, but it is also the same as any oil change on a Volkswagen Beetle or a Volkswagen Bus. So what we're going to need is some gaskets, washers, a strainer, 10mm socket, oil pan, and some classic car oil. So these are your nuts. You're gonna remove 6 nuts to remove the plate and drain your oil. Now that the nuts are off, we slowly remove the plate. Okay, so now after your gaskets and your strainer is off, you need to clean the area around the studs. The old strainer, and this is the new strainer, and this is the gasket. Yes, it's here. Now you put the washer, and then you put the nut, and now you only tighten them one by one, finger tight. So now we're gonna add 2.5 liters of oil into here with a funnel. So now when you finish dumping the oil in, take the dipstick out, clean it, put it back in, check. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. It has to be in between these two lines. You close it up, start cleaning. Check underneath for leaks. And all that's left is to go out and have fun.